Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Nifyto Baby Handprint Footprint Ornament Keepsake Maker Kit. This beautiful and thoughtful kit is designed to help you capture and preserve those precious early moments with your newborn or little one in a truly special way. The Nifyto Baby Handprint Footprint Kit is more than just a keepsake, it's a heartfelt memory maker. It comes with everything you need to create a personalized and lasting impression of your baby's tiny hands and feet. From the moment you open the box, you'll find a complete package including 2 pouches of premium, baby-safe clay that is 100% food grade, ensuring it is safe and gentle for your newborn. The clay is soft and pliable, designed to capture every delicate line and groove of your baby's hand or footprint with remarkable detail. In addition to the clay, the kit includes a mini frame measuring approximately 7 by 9 inches with a depth of about 1.4 inches. This frame is versatile enough to be displayed on a desk or hung on a wall, making it easy to showcase your creation in any nursery or living space. The frame features bright glass that protects the keepsake without yellowing over time, keeping your baby's print looking fresh and vibrant for years to come. Alongside the clay and frame, you'll find shiny gold paint and a paintbrush included in the kit. This allows you to highlight the delicate imprint and add a beautiful metallic finish, giving your keepsake a touch of elegance and sparkle. The kit also provides alphabet stickers, glue, and a nail, so you can customize the frame with your baby's name, birth date, or any special message to make it uniquely yours. Using the kit is simple but requires some patience. The process begins by kneading the clay for a few minutes until it becomes soft and workable. You then flatten the clay to the right thickness and gently press your baby's hand or foot into the clay, holding it for several seconds to create a clear and detailed impression. After making the imprint, the clay needs to air dry, typically 3 days per side, to ensure it hardens properly without cracking. Once dry, you can paint the imprint with the included gold paint to make every detail stand out beautifully. The finished clay piece is then glued onto the background paper and placed into the frame. There's even a protective film on the glass to peel off at the end, ensuring your keepsake remains pristine. This kit makes an ideal gift for baby showers, new parents, or for celebrating milestones like first birthdays, Christmas, or Mother's and Father's Day. The thoughtful design and all-in-one packaging make it easy to give a meaningful, stylish present that any new family will cherish. What sets this kit apart is its combination of quality and ease of use. The clay is specially formulated not to crack after drying, and it maintains a clean white color that doesn't yellow over time. The frame, while simple, provides a polished and elegant display option, and the included accessories allow for full customization to commemorate those once-in-a-lifetime moments. In summary, the Nifyto Baby Handprint Footprint Ornament Keepsake Maker Kit offers a complete, safe, and creative way to capture your baby's earliest memories. With premium materials and a thoughtful package, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a timeless keepsake that celebrates the joy and love a new baby brings into the world. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in preserving your baby's precious moments with style and ease, this kit might just be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.